Hey everybody, welcome back to This Old Trike. Today we've got another grab bar from Serwa Tires to install, and it's for an ATC 250R. So this is the best candidate I have for this grab bar. It's an 85, I know what you're saying. Looks like an 86 because it's got an ATC on the seat, but it's a little bit of a mix mosh. It's an 85 frame, 86 motor, but it's got this atrocious grab bar on the back. So we are going to take that off, see how this fits, and let you know if it's something awesome that you want to buy or something you should avoid. But I got a feeling it's going to be awesome. Here we go. All right. Should be pretty quick. Oh, we got some off-size bolts here. Got to get a 13. The old 13 millimeter, you know, when you buy that hardware down at the old True Value. I guess maybe it's time I get a Milwaukee or a Man's drill.
Isn't Milwaukee an Indian name?
Yes, Pete, it is. Actually, it's pronounced Milwaukee, which is Algonquin for the good land.
So you notice what fell on the floor was a nut. Because this thing doesn't fit correctly. It doesn't have the right contour. To zip in like the OEM did. Now that's perfect. See, this bends in on each side. You don't need to stick a random nut in there to space it out. You can do it properly. Now I've got a hardware kit. This is part of the kit I bought from my buddy Greg Jr. Trike Sports to use on my white 250R. But I just had a bunch of hardware plated that I'll probably be using on that. So we're just going to take these and stick them here. Those are a touch long, these bolts. That needs a shorter bolt. But, man, these choppers are flying by. What are they looking for? But this is what we took off. This is what we're putting on. Right? The OEM look. Man, is this hazy? Let me clean my screen. That's a lot better. So this is the hardware we took off. These 13 millimeters, that's the only Honda bolt that was in it. We'll stick these in here. So the fit is great. The bends are great. It's just what you'd want. Like I said, this is, let me talk about this 250R real quick. Okay, like I was saying, this is a bit of a hybrid. So this will be a good way to point out things that go between years. So at first glance, you see ATC on the seat, the thicker seat foam. Oh, must be an 86. You look at the wheels and they're not gold, so you know they're not correct. These are TRX rims. Could be 250X, 300EX, 400EX, 88, 89, 250R. But those are TRX rims. It's got the front rim off an 86 350X with a 23 8x11 Dunlop. So that's an 85 250R front tire. You know, there's all sorts of stuff going on. These rear fenders, got the sticker, no embossed. These are 85 250R fenders. Short track tank, short course tank, depending on what you call it. So that means you can really turn those handlebars sideways. All aluminum color top triple, so that's 85 style. Black switch. So it's the 85 style switch. This is 86 style because it'd be gray in 85. So it's a complete mix mosh. I've run the VIN on the motor, the serial number on the motor. That's an 86 motor. 85 style swing arm with brake setup. Pretty cool unit. I don't think there's any gas in it. Nope. No gas. '85 style front brake rotor and caliper. And it's an 85 frame, but the motor's 86, 85 style swing arm, sprocket in the back. But pretty cool machine nonetheless, and now it's got a nice looking grab bar on it, so I'm glad to have ditched the aluminum job. You see how close it looks to these. It doesn't stick up like a sissy bar, like a Red Chain Bandit job would. That's what we want. Well, thanks for watching. That was just a quick one, just to get that grab bar put on. If you want to see other videos like this, or if there's something in particular you want to see, let me know. Spring is in the air here in upstate New York, so we'll be able to get things out more and do more outside recording. Lineups. There's a couple different lineups I haven't done yet. Haven't done 110 comparisons, so I want to get to those. But if there's something in particular that you'd like to see, let me know. I've got a whole bunch of plans. Just got to find time in the day to get to them. So thanks for watching. Check out serwatires.com to get those grab bars if you're interested. They've got them for TRX 250Rs, 350X, ATC 250R, ATC 70. They've got a whole mess of them. So I've got one for an ATC 70 and some of the Serwa tires for an ATC 70. So you'll see them coming up in an upcoming video. And it's always great to have friends in the business that you can get their products and support them with. So I'm just honored to be able to do that. Thanks. Catch you later.